Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for all the support, for all the love you've really shown to the other videos. We love you so much and we really appreciate those people who keep liking the videos, who keep sharing the videos, who keep giving us with comments just in the other videos. We really appreciate all your support. So today what I'm going to basically do is to show you some of the products, the new products that I'm going to use on my hair. These are new products I want to start using. I've watched several videos on YouTube on how people really appreciate this product, and I feel I should really try it out. And this is the oil that I'm going to try. This is the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. Yes, so it is a very good product. I think I've really used this before, but I wasn't so keen on the results, on how it really worked. But I've really used this product before, but I don't still remember how it really worked. And I think what made me to put it away or put it aside is just because of the scent. The scent was really so strong, but this time around I want to try it out and I see how it really works. My hair is already healthy, but I really want it to grow really very fast and longer than it is right now. So that's why I'm opting for this product. And I'm going to review this after 1 week. I'm going to show you the length check as well, before and after 1 week after using this product, and I see whether my hair has increased or it has at least added some volume. That's what I'm really looking for. Okay, the directions are saying that apply and massage Virgin Hair Fertilizer into your hair and scalp every day. Comb and style as desired for healthy and strong and natural looking hair. So let me hope this really works for me and I hope I get the results that I'm looking for. You can see this is how the packaging comes up. So you just open it. Because I've used it before, so I know how to use this. There is the back of this, the lid. You just have to press it inside to open. So once you press it like that, it's already open, and you press from the bottom. It's yellowish in color. So this is how it comes out. What I can press this to just open the edges for now because of the time. Hope it really works, but I'm going to do a full review the next time because I really want to see how the products really works on my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. We really appreciate. Hope this new product works out for me, and hope it also helps out anyone out there who is trying to grow their hair very long and very healthy. So let's give this a try. I'm going to come back next week with a review on how this product has really helped me or added. Bye bye.